And again, I'm gonna go ahead and cut everything from here approximately, and I'll keep everything inside another container, and this is going to the fridge, and it'll keep for maybe 7 days, which is pretty good. So these sprouting machines are really worth having if you want to have your own sprouts, organic sprouts at home. Make sure that you only get organic seeds for whatever you want to sprout, so you'll always get organic and healthy stuff to eat. So I'll give these sprouting machines thumbs up for sure, 100%. And keep watching for other videos that I'm going to upload pretty soon. Not only about sprouting, but also about hydroponics, which I also do. Thanks for watching.